Yo, you guys, it's Betcher here, and today we have the shaver from Braun. It's the Series 5 clean and fast shaving, and this is actually like the package which comes with the smart cleaning center and two setup or caps for shaving. So easy to shave, that's what they're saying. It's waterproof, and apparently I've never really trusted those to take them into the shower and anywhere else. I know people are doing that, but I don't know. It's not my preference. So let's open up the package and check out the shaver, um, how it's made and stuff. I can tell you it works pretty well. I tried it at my friend's house before, and that's why I bought it. Still excited to open this up here, have my own and stuff. But I thought it was really nice and easy to handle. So let's, yeah, check it out, because there's some goose in here which I don't know. For example, this one, what this might be. I mean, it looks like some liquid-ish. Might be for the cleaning station or center. We'll check that out in a sec. We got a cable for loading. Well, you obviously need that. What else is in here? There we go. That's the little head part that we get in this package exclusively. Then there is the shaver, and let's get the center piece out as well. And there it is. And then is there anything else in here? There's something. Yep, never forget about the little brush. Brush, brush, brush. Alright, anyway, let's check out the center first, because I've not seen that before, because my friend did not have one of these. Put these stuff to the side. We won't need that right now. Maybe the head is interesting as well, since we already have it in hand. Straightforward, tiny, and for precision, just gonna be clipping that on top. Okay, we'll try that in a sec too. Or, yeah, no, we'll stick to the center. So here it is. As you can see, there's like some sort of instruction. Okay, it's actually lighting up. Might be even able to load your shaver when it's plugged in, and then it will clean. You just have to push in the button, and then will light up. Don't put it in when it's wet. Okay, clean that up before you place it in there. Makes sense. Whatever. Throw that to the side. Check out station. Press forward. As you can see, this is the button. It just connects to the shaver probably. Here it is. Yeah, that goes in there. And then, okay, this is for loading, and this goes in here probably. Not sure how for now. We'll see about that later. So this is preservoir. You're just gonna place it in there, push the button as so, and then it will just connect. And then it will start cleaning, charging. Click again, remove, and you're good to go for your next shaving experience. This is where the power source goes. Oh, okay, there's the button. You open it up, and you're just gonna be scooping this in here probably. That's not the way. No, I doubt that's gonna work. Oh yeah, obviously it has to be the other way around, so the opening is in the top, and then you can actually close that up. And yeah, otherwise pretty clean design, liking the size of it. Pretty straightforward, got nice movement. Let's actually see if we can place the head on here. Oh, it's that easy. You're just gonna be taking that off and then click it back on there. Pretty easy. And then this is the other head part. We'll poke that on here, and then it's good to go as well. Nothing too complicated. Okay, then we're back on here. As you can see, we got nice little moves, and then you can just turn it on and get it working and stuff. Yeah, that's basically the shaver experience, and I would say I will throw that in my bathroom and then we check it out there, and then we will see how this actually will perform, right? After all, that's kind of what we're interested in. I have to tell you, not a lot of hair though.